Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start immediately by checking the kit and securing the scooter. Open the box and verify gloves, cleaner, lubricant, brush, and cloth. This avoids mid-task pauses. Once done, place the scooter on its center, stand on a flat surface, and remove the key so nothing activates accidentally. Make sure you work in shade and good ventilation to protect finishes and yourself. Put on gloves and lay a microfiber under areas you'll touch. This preserves paint and keeps components clean while you begin the cleaning step. You now move into cleaning and a focused inspection. Spray cleaner onto the cloth rather than on electronics or displays to avoid moisture ingress, and wipe exterior panels, the seat hinge, and footboard systematically. Once done, use the small brush to dislodge grime in crevices, vents, and under trims. Make sure to visually inspect the battery cover, connector seals, fasteners, and tires for looseness, corrosion, or cuts. Documenting anything unusual will guide maintenance. This combined cleaning inspection step prevents problems before they grow. You finish by applying lubricant where metal moves and friction occurs, using small amounts on the seat hinge, throttle pivot, and brake lever pivots. Avoid excess that attracts dirt. Once lubricated, recheck visible fasteners and tighten to the specified torque if available. Otherwise, snug by hand and mark anything that still feels loose. Make sure to wipe stray lubricant from painted surfaces and store the care kit in a dry spot. Finally, perform a short test ride to confirm normal function. If noise or resistance persists, check the affected joint.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.